Flowmaster, the industry leader in performance technology, introduces the new FlowFX direct fit muffler for the all-new 2019 Ram 1500 2 and 4-wheel drive, equipped with the 5.7L V8 engine, and also with a factory dual tailpipes. Note, it does not fit the 2019 1500 Classic. This FlowFX series system is designed to directly replace the original mufflers using the factory hangers and connections. This easy-to-install bolt-on direct-fit muffler features 3-inch 16-gauge mandrel-bent bright 409S stainless steel tubing mated to a specially designed 3-inch inlet straight-through FlowFX muffler for a great sound and maximum performance. The new FlowFX direct fit muffler provides a moderate to an aggressive exterior and interior sound levels. This kit provides a lower cost option to a full catback exhaust system with all the performance benefits that you expect from Flowmaster, and all Flowmaster systems are dyno tuned for maximum performance. If you're looking to give your Ram 1500 a little bit more attitude with a deep, powerful tone, then this system is for you. The exhaust system is built right here in the USA and is backed up by our lifetime limited warranty, protecting your investment and giving you peace of mind. Be sure to subscribe to our Flowmaster YouTube channel and don't forget to follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter.